Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really delicious chocolate walnut bread recipe, and we're going to be using zucchini in this. First thing you want to do is you want to get a bowl and put a clean towel and some paper towels in it. We're going to take some zucchini and we're just going to slice off the top and the bottom of the zucchini. Now I'm gonna take a grater and I am gonna use the larger grating side. We're just going to grate our zucchini. Once you have grated the zucchini, we're gonna take the towel that it's in and we're gonna squeeze out all of the liquid. Once you've squeezed out all the liquid from the shredded zucchini, you just wanna separate so you have 1 cup of the zucchini. In a bowl here, I have 3 cracked eggs. I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract. As you guys already know, all of my measurements are gonna be in the description below. I'm also gonna add in some coconut oil. This is melted coconut oil. Heavy cream. And some granulated sweetener. Now I'm gonna be using erythritol granulated sweetener, but you can use any sweetener of choice. Using a hand mixer, I am going to mix this until it is combined and a little bit frothy, so it's gonna take about 2 minutes. As you can see, our batter is nice and frothy. To this, I'm gonna add in my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add in some cocoa powder. And this is unsweetened cocoa powder. Ground cinnamon. Some baking powder. Now this is optional, but you can add some instant coffee. This really enhances the flavor of chocolate. Some sea salt. And last but not least, our almond flour. Now you can combine this on a low speed to start. And you can turn the bowl to make sure that you're getting all of those ingredients combined into the batter. I'm gonna increase the speed a little bit now. Taking a spatula, I'm just gonna scrape the sides. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, now that I've scraped down the sides, I'm gonna take the zucchini, gonna add it to the batter. Gonna add in some stevia sweetened dark chocolate chips. You can use regular chocolate chips if you want, but we're trying to keep this really low carb. So that's why I'm using the stevia sweetened chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna add in some chopped walnuts. This is completely optional. You don't have to add walnuts if you don't want to. You could also add pecans. Those are good with this too. And I'm gonna fold this all in with my spatula. And you're probably wondering, what is the point of the zucchini? Why can't I just make this without the zucchini? Zucchini actually adds a really nice texture to the bread. You don't even taste it once it's baked. It just has like a nice little hint of moisture and just gives that bread the moisture that you're looking for. Otherwise, it can be a little bit on the dry side. Now I'm gonna take a bread tin and we're gonna line this with some parchment paper. First thing we're gonna do is just spray it with some avocado oil spray. I like to do this because it makes the parchment paper just stick a little bit better, and the parchment paper makes it easy to take out the bread once it's done cooking. You wanna crumple up your parchment paper like this. This makes it a lot easier to actually line into whatever dish you're baking in. And I'm just going to put this parchment paper into the tin now. Taking my kitchen shears, I want to cut off the excess parchment paper so it doesn't burn in the oven. Now that my bread tin is lined, I'm going to add this batter right in. Our batter is in our bread tin. We're gonna throw it in the oven. My oven's been preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this for about 50 to 55 minutes. I'll see you guys at the end. I just took my chocolate bread out of the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes. When you do the toothpick test, it should come out completely clean. And let's do a little cross section here so I can show you how delicious this looks. Take a look at that. Absolutely perfect, really spongy, moist. Let's cut out a slice right from the middle so we can do a taste test. This is our delicious low carb chocolate and walnut bread. You can see that the delicious walnuts, those chocolate chips. Let's get a nice bite right here with everything in it. Cheers. I mean, you really don't even taste the zucchini. It adds such a nice texture to the bread, really chocolatey, nutty. This is great for breakfast. This is great as a dessert. This is great if you want to take it for lunch as a quick snack. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.